Hey, how's everyone doing out there? This is DayTraderRockStar for Friday's watch list, November 2nd. November 2nd. Man, the market got walloped today, right? You know, you saw that coming. It's a little, they kind of almost like a bull trap where they trapped right after a Fed number goes up, everyone rallies into the market, everything's good and stuff. They gap it down and they keep people trapped and they're selling it off all day basically. Down close to 400 points, almost 400 points down on the Dow. So what are you going to say? I mean, no matter whatever the watch list was going to be, it was going to be taken apart because that type of pressure on the market just doesn't hold up anything. So I mean, I don't feel bad that because that the watch list didn't really play out today. It's just you have to trade with the market. You know, when I do these watch lists, I watch the, you expect a positive day or not a day that's actually not to be a murder day. Even on a down day, a lot of the watch lists would have been up. Intel was up nice at one point today. Amgen was up nice. ICE was never really broke out. Marvell was up nice today. And I think Nokia might have been up early in the morning or something. Pre-market, they were up to $40. So a lot of the things, but then it gets crushed by the market. So tomorrow we have the employment numbers coming out. Everyone's really expecting this to move the market. So this is not even a good day to bring out a watch list. But I tell you what, overall expectations is, I think that the consensus is 125,000 jobs there, 125,000 I think it was. I mean, I think that's an awful lot. Awful lot. Maybe it was 25,000. I forget how many jobs it was the thing. I think it was something 25,000. They upped it. I think it was 125,000. Yeah, definitely 125. And I'm thinking that's way too much. So we're not going to even get to that number. I think the market's going to get another swallow tomorrow. I hope we do because what a buying opportunity this is. And if this market actually can prove the trade back up above this level. If you look, I'm actually have a nice little chart here for you to show you what we have going for us. This is the daily chart. Now on the Dow, we pulled all the way back. Actually, let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Like, look at this. We pulled all the way. If you make a trend line right from the spike low in August, and we run it all the way up, we connect it to the bottom back here in the middle of October, and we run it all the way up right now. We're right at the trend line. So this is a very good thing. That's one thing we have going for us. All right, now check this out. Take the Fibonacci retracement. This is an indicator that's based on a formula, a Fibonacci formula. And it basically, talks about, and this is actually the graph. So what you're supposed to do is put the graph in place of the recent low or the low and the high of what you're looking for, and it'll pretty much gauge a pullback if there is going to be a pullback. So this actually pulled back right to the 61.8% line on the Fibonacci, which is that happens to line right up with the upward trend line. So you have two major pieces of support right there. So, but again, I think this could act as a good way or a bad way. The good way is the market's definitely going to go up if we have good employment numbers, I think. But in the bad way, if we break through this line, then we have to wait until we get down to another support line. So there's numbers tomorrow. That's what it's all about. All right. So like I said, I'm not going to bore you with a big list, but here's something I'll be watching out for. These are stocks that I do see rebounding first in an up market. So these are the ones I actually want to buy also going into a market that's going to rebound. All right, so ISRG, really nice consolidation here in ISRG. I don't know if anybody hears my baby in the background there crying. But didn't really get a harsh pullback today. We're staying right here. It's almost a 1, 2, 3, 4 pullback, which is really nice. And this one's definitely going to challenge new highs if the market pulls itself out of a hole here. So I'd put that one on your list. Another one, of course, is a big old Apple. Really strong at this level, even though not really getting a pullback. Just really strong right here. Moving average is following it up. Everything's nice and steady. Looking for $200 on this one. All right. Here's one I haven't covered in a while. If I even covered it, is a good old RIM, Research in Motion. Now look at the daily chart. Now, nice triangle formation forming here. Just got upgraded to they just raised the price in this one again. So look at this. You got a nice little triangle, and look at this. You got even a nice little downward trend line here. It looks beautiful. So look for this one to break out to the upside. I don't see no reason why this one might be heading down, because RIM is just RIM. So look for a break to the upside there. Another one we didn't see the breakout of in today, but I was expecting it, is ICE. And again, I said I wouldn't buy this one unless it made a new high, and that would get. So it didn't even get to the new high. Just one to watch, because now this one's a little pivot high here, a little higher high. So this is going to be actually a better breakout now. If the market can reverse and retest that high again and go through it, it's going to really take off. So that one, I'd actually put a number down, whatever that high is right there, 678. I don't even know what it is, but I would put that as a major buy period right there. Also, I still believe that Hot Topic is going to make a bottom soon. It's below 750, so I'm really want to buy some of that and just hold it going into the retail here. Verizon got knocked down a little oversold, I think. We have a nice a top here now. Look at this. We got a nice double top. You could call it a double top, or you could call it just the beginning of a cup and a handle. But I wouldn't even say that. I would just look for another test of the highs here and a breakthrough eventually. That's a good point to get in. We'll know tomorrow, right? And the last one of the night is I'm looking to buy some Blackstone. I feel this one's another IPO recently. Really got slaughtered and moved all the way up to 20 now back all the way down almost 24, which is 38.2. Retracing on the Fibonacci. Not that that really even works, because it's almost things that happen after the fact, and then you just put in a bunch of lines. Eventually, one of the lines is going to hit you. So anyway, I think the one thing I like about this is the stochastic indicator here is very oversold. So we're right down here, and the last time we were down there, you could see what happened. Once we got down to the oversold level, we'd had a nice rally. So we're right down in the oversold area. Hopefully we're going to start seeing a rally coming into this. Now that everything's bad on the banks and stuff, this is going to reverse soon. All this bad news about the banks. This is the time you need to be buying banks, is when all the news is out and all the bad, the bad stuff. People, the smart money is actually buying now. Believe it or not, this is the smart money is in these stocks and getting in them. Citigroup and all this stuff. Just it's actually a good time to buy them in the long run. All right, you'll see that. All right, that's it for tonight. I have a doctor's appointment early in the morning to get a splinter out of my finger, so I won't not be broadcasting until probably around 11 o'clock or around noon. So the radio hopefully you'll be on, but if not, I'll be on sometime during the day around noonish, 11 o'clock, noon, whatever I could get back in time. I have an appointment at 9:30, so it sucks right at the open. But I'll be here pre-market with you, 8 o'clock until about 8:30, 9 o'clock, until about 9 o'clock, 8 to 9. So we'll be able to see the numbers come in and stuff. All right, www.DayTraderRadio.com is where you can listen to the show. www.DayTraderRadio.com. All right, that's it. Out of here. Once again, good night.